What's the meaning of aster? Aster. Aster.
Aster. Aster. The word aster refers to a flowering plant with star-shaped flowers. The name aster comes from the Greek word for star. The plant is commonly found in North America and Eurasia, and is often grown in gardens for its aesthetic appeal. Asters come in a variety of colors, including pink, purple, blue, and white. They typically bloom in the late summer or early fall and are a favorite among gardeners for their ability to add color and texture to a garden. In some cultures, asters are also associated with love, patience, and elegance.